Hi guys, I'm back today with an unboxing. So I have a total of 3 boxes and 1 envelope thingy. This should be for the BTS Con and Festa 2020 merch. So I'm super excited. They're finally here. I know a lot of people have already received theirs and I'm kind of late, but I figured I would share with you guys what I purchased anyways, if anyone out there is interested. So without any further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and start unboxing one box at a time first. So this box is actually not in the best condition. It's actually worse on the other side, but that side has all my information on it, so I figured I'll just do it from this side. Here. Okay, so I guess I'll do this one first. Okay, so this is the Mood Light. To be honest, I only purchased it because it came with clear photo cards, and those were really pretty from what I've seen. So yeah, that's the only reason why I got it. But here's what it looks like. Just gonna quickly. So it says Festa 2020 BTS, and then this is the stand that it comes with. I want to take it all out. So it will be something like this when you display it. Yeah, like that. Obviously, you know, I'm not going to take out the cardboard, but that's the gist of it. Back in here for now. Alrighty, so the clear photo cards. I'm so excited for this. On Weaver Shop, it just looked really nice, so yeah. Okay, so first we have JK. Looks super cute. Back looks like. Here we have V. Oh my gosh, he looks so good. And then here we got Jimin. Oh my gosh, he looks beautiful. We have Yoongi. Super adorable. I think all of them have the same pose, right? Yeah, they're all having their pointer finger at their lips. Here we have Jin. They all look so good in pink. I'm seriously dying. Hobie. Oh, look at his expression, so cute. And then we have RM. Wow, everyone looks so good. Okay, so that's the Festa photo cards. And then in the plastic bags, let's see here, have what are these called? The lenticular key ring. This is one pose, and then the other is that. So pretty. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? Oh, that is so pretty. Okay. And then this one, of course, we all know I have to get Jimin. So here's one pose. And then another one, he's doing the finger heart. So there and there. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, actually, I think I'm gonna open it so you guys can see this better. Oh god, Jesus. Oh, so look at that. It's so cute. Okay. This one, it says Festa, and then we have his picture right there. Just open this up as well. Oops. There we go. So there's his face. Oh my gosh, so cute. His name, and then Festa. Honestly, I could have done without this, because I just think the whole Festa thing just looks kind of out of place, but his picture was really pretty, so I had to. Yep. Okay, so on to the next box. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so this is the mini photo card set, and then this is the spike clips. Okay, so here is the clip with his little picture on it. Super, super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and the back says big hit. And then, so it comes with two clips. That one, and then this one. This one's just black, says his name. Okay. And then this is the photo card. Okay, first one is Namjoon. Oh my gosh, his silver hair, so pretty. So this is 2 out of 8. What is here? This one is Jin. Me 1 out of 8. So good looking. Oh my gosh. This one is Yoongi. Oh, so cute. What the heck? 6 out of 8. And Hobie. Wow. This is 3 out of 8. Little Jimin. Oh my gosh, how adorable. 5 out of 8. We have V looking super mysterious with his finger heart. 8 out of 8. JK. Wow. 4 out of 8. And then, oh, unit of V, Jin, and Jimin. 8 out of 8. Oh, so cute, so cute. Oh my gosh. Love. Okay, moving on to this box. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so what is this? This is the photo card holder keyring, and then the photo set. I'm gonna open this one first. I honestly forgot what this even looks like, so let's see. Okay, how do I open this? Open from this side. Wow. Wait. Oh my god. Holy crap. Okay. How do I do this? Without... Oh my god, am I? Oh my god. How do I... Okay, so it comes with this photo card. Okay, I am seriously obsessed with this hair color. Like, he just looks so good with this hair. I think this one and the silver hair from Blood, Sweat, and Tears was my favorite. So, and then this is the card holder. It has his name, and then I guess you just put this in here. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Oh wow. Okay, I didn't even know that it comes with 2 photo cards, so how adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm dying. Okay, so let's do this real quick.
I really don't want to damage these photo cards, but like, how do I... Yeah.
Hold on, I'm just gonna do it one at a time because I really don't want to damage these cards. Okay, so there's one photo card in. And I wanted to put another one like on the back, but okay, there we go. How stinking adorable. Okay, this has to be my new favorite item because honestly, what the heck? Cute. And then here we have the photo set. Okay. Thanks. We have RM. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at his pose. Obsessed. This is 2 out of 4. We have, oh my gosh, Jin. Okay, forehead Jin is like the best thing that has happened. 4 out of 4. Yoongi. Looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is 1 out of 4. Hobie. Aww. Gosh. 4 out of 4. Jimin. Oh, just looks like just an adorable little boy. I'm dying. 3 out of 4. V. Oh my gosh, everyone looks so good. 2 out of 4. JK. Oh my god, how cute. 1 out of 4. Okay, so there's no unit photos for this set. And last but not least, we have the stuff in this folder. Wow, is that it? It's really like only 2? Huh, interesting. This one, let's see. So this is the other mini photo card. Oh, I thought there was more in here for some reason. Okay, so hopefully this set is different from the other set that we pulled. Fingers crossed. Is it different? Is it different? I think it's different, right? Oh my gosh, my short-term memory is not... Yeah, it's different. Yeah. Okay, so... RM, oh my gosh, 7 out of 8. We have Jin. 1 out of 8. Hobie. Oh my gosh. Oh, why do these stick together? Oh my god. 6 out of 8. Jimin. These are so sticky. What the heck? 2 out of 8. V. 4 out of 8. Okay, this I'm pretty sure we pulled. This looks really familiar. 4 out of 8. I have to check. And then this is yay. Unit of JK, Yoongi, Hobie, and RM. 2 out of 8. Okay, let me just grab the other set real quick. Okay, so I've set it all up. So I was right. I did get dupes of this one. I mean, like, why big hit? Like, I don't get it. All of the rest are different except one. Like, what do they do with the other one? You know? Weird. But anyways, yeah, I only managed to get 2 sets of photo cards this time. So, you know, I'm thankful that majority of them are not duplicates. So, yay. And the last thing I have is the message photo. Oh my gosh. Oh, this packaging is really nice. Here we have RM. This is 2 out of 4. He looks so good. The back, June 13th. Quality is really nice. It's very different from, you know, the other traditional photo cards. Jin, 3 out of 4. Wow, he looks like CEO of a huge company. And then here he has the cake, Army Love BTS, June 13th. You have Yoongi. Okay, everyone in this like particular lighting looks amazing. Like, wow. Okay, this is 3 out of 4. June 13th. Oh my gosh. Hobie. Okay, so for Hobie, we got the gold card. So, wow. Look at him. 1 out of 4. I don't know what that says, but Jimin, wow, so breathtaking. Holy crap, 4 out of 4. Army, V, oh, they all look so good. I'm so done. And Army, JK, 2 out of 4. Wow. Okay, I just love these cards. They all look so good. Oh my gosh. And here just June 13th. Okay, so that is it for today's haul slash unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this with me. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.